Good morning, guys. Thanks for being here. Another week. Let's see what we have for the next 2 3 minutes. Well, 6 minutes. We prepare the loan position. Let's see the information there. 5 minutes to get the confirmation. So let's see. Your patience again, as usual. So 3 4 minutes. One minute. 1 minute, guys. Well, it's here. Yes, this was a beautiful trip. I was into the Guanacaste. Beautiful, nice friends. There, the people is different than in the middle of the country in San Jose. I was talking with many important people, some clients of my uncle. Well, the conversation was so rich, like different uh, type of brains. For them, was pretty easy to say $1 million. Um, and well, hopefully one day, in my conversations, probably we talk with that, just saying $1 million with like nothing. But yes, that type of people who live in a luxury house near to the beach. It's different. The brain is different. Hopefully, everyone, at least one day per month, you can everyone can talk with someone who is millionaire, real millionaire. Mm. Mm. So well, testing the sun. The candle, the last candle is not the correct reaction. So now just we need to wait the reaction here. Let's see what we have. Pure patience. 30 minutes. So, and welcome to Abuba, new member for our Telegram. Interface. Marco, buenos días. Pura vida. Just smart. Eventually you will. Eventually that's the idea. Well, that guy looks pretty old, like 60, 70 years old. Talking about business and how they hate their countries because it's very cold. David from Canada, yes, he live in a part of Canada very cold. He was telling me pretty easy, like no, my earns per year it's around $1 million per year. It's my investments and everything. I live in a luxury house in front of the beach in a hill. Um, in the backyard, it's a it's a land with a golf, with a just for playing golf, and in front you have the view for the beach. That's good. But well, he was there drinking with the family with not too much problems. Just drinking a beer. That was great. That was beautiful. Okay, good. There we looks like beam bar reaction. But well, guys, if we want to go to the $1 million, we have too much work to do. It's not going to be easy. Hopefully, the 86,000 subscribers here into this channel, we can go to the $1 million at least one day. One day. Okay, guys, good reaction. It was deploy some. Let's expect the price don't pass to the 47.20 and give us a good reaction there. The first million is really hard, they say. They're from the million, it's not the problem. Hear it, yes. The billion, I can imagine the billion. To go. Larita, how much do you need money? Just only relax and doing nothing, you know? I was I went to the beach with one friend, and he was my boss when I was working in customer service in Concentrics. Memo. He asked me about the that question, you know, how much money you need to relax and doing nothing. I don't know, like 4, 5 years ago, 6 years ago, or something like that. He asked me that question, and in that moment, I told him $10,000 per month. But now I think 10,000 is nothing. Um, I think it depends of the what part of your life you are living, right? So, so yes, I remember that question. You know, I really remember that question. Like he asked me, he's one of the bosses in a customer service company, and that bosses is like always pushing you, like, yeah, come on, you can do it. But well, at the end, it's pure shit. But well, that question, how much do you need money just enjoy and relax and doing nothing? And I told him 10,000 per month. And nowadays, I think 6, 7 years later, yeah, I told him 2 days ago. I remembered that question, and now the 10,000 looks like not that much per month. So, so well, I would say I really want to be relaxed. 50,000 per month. 50,000 per month. I'm going to. I really want the next 2 3 years. 50,000 per month. That would be my goal. Yes, exactly. Your first 10, 100. It's going to be the first step. Just keep it debt free. Not yearly, just like, in 1 year, make the in savings, you know, like just have that money, I can use it with no problems. That would be nice. If you earn €1 per second, it will be take 11 days or something to get a million, and 30 something years, and 30 something years to get a billion. Yeah, it's difficult. The money, it's difficult, you know. But well, it's part of the business. Think always in more. Um, it's part of it's to you. You can survive the enough time here in this wild, this jungle, to save your money as much as you can, respecting your money as much as you can. So well, you need to survive time. We have other 3 years and some months more with Donald Trump decisions. I saw the market start with a massive gap today again. I think it's the first time in my road for 6 years um, seeing too many gaps into the market, but not that little gaps, because most of the time the price start with a gap for 50 pips. Now it's a massive holes into the charts. Well, uh, let's see. People like Elon Musk and Donald Trump never relax. Yes, but it's different. It's different. I don't want to be the type of life. I really want to just saying. I'm just going to be retired in a hill in front of the beach. Uh, yes. So let's see and see what happened. Last time I saw it was 13,000 in your balance. Did you withdraw on some? Yes, I did a withdrawal for $950 last Thursday. Oh, I was on the beach. I need some money. But yes, that is the reason some fortune. So, well, 3 minutes to receive the confirmation. Good to see you. Hope you get the money you want one day. I'm okay with my wallet at this moment, but it's something in our head, and this is for everyone. We always want more. Leticia, querida, no, estoy esperando 2 minutitos nada más para que la vela termine de confirmar. Luego de ahí esperamos el retroceso. ¿Ok? Esperando. It's only because shop always ask for more. Yes, I think the information what we receive nowadays is just for get more, more and more and more. The companies, the shows, the Instagram, TikTok, all that of information. We need to consume more and more. Y soy de Costa Rica, Atepal. Do you smoke? No, I don't smoke. This type of drugs. I just cigarette sometimes if I'm drinking with a cigarette. That's all. Or if I feel very stressful, yes, I will smoke. But this is pretty weird. Okay, the confirmation is there, guys. So we will prepare the entry. We need the retracement. So let's see. Looks like 47.15. Looks like a strong point. So let's see. We need the retracement, guys. We need the retracement. Your patience and let's see what happened. F1 is here. Welcome, my friend. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, good. The retracement is there. Let's prepare our positions. Estoy esperando retroceso para tomar la entrada. Así que, bueno, cerca del 47.15, 47.10, por ahí pueden estar. Así que, bueno. So, well, I'm going to open the position. Waiting the 15 at least. $16. Well, looks great there. Hmm. Okay, the position it's open. 47.15. Oh, it's fighting a little. Probably want to test the 47.10. Let's see the reactions there. Mhm. Mhm. 47. 47.28. Mhm. TP4. TP3. 47. 47. 39. 38. Mhm. 47. 46. Mhm. Working as fast as you can. Forty-seven, 33. TP2. This is the 47, 35, 47, 38. 37. Okay, the position is there. The price trying to continue up to the 47.10. Let's see. 47, 37, 47, 37, 47, 37. Tres. So let's see. This is the last 6 minutes. It's really important to continue up to the 47.10. That's really, really important. Let's see the results. Let's see the results. Let's see what happened. Remember, always use the correct lot size for your account. It's very important because we can see the stop or the TPS. Mm. Ah. Mm. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, the price is trying to continue there. 43, 33. This is the last 4 candles. Remember, even if you take a better position than me, use the same stop loss, please. 49, 46.99, that 50. So, well, 2 minutes. This is an important 2 candles at this moment to continue for clarifying these positions. So, well, the price is going up. That's great. Let's see. Mhm. Mhm. Italia channel. Hi, Dorito entering this morning, gained 60 euros. That's great, my friend. That's make me happy. The confirmation was this pin bar reaction here, this green candle. That was our confirmation. Benzi, not a good entry. If you don't like it, just don't take it. Car parking, if you don't like it, don't take it. As simple as that. Because here it's the volume by some. For that reason, I take the decision to buy. If you don't like the trade, there probably now many people it's around 30, 40 pips in positive. Just close it if you don't like it. As simple as that. Okay, testing again the 4710. Let's see. One massive candle in 1 minute. Huge. Huge candle for 110 pips in 1 minute. That was massive candle. And again, it's pretty simple. If you take the position 46.99, that 50, it's the stop loss, guys. If you understand, even in this point, we can lose the position in one candle. You can hold with me. If you are okay with that, you can hold with me. If you don't like the position, just close it here very close. As simple as that. It's pretty simple. So the tip price is still up to the 47.10. Let's see what happened. We can go to 46, 47.005, 47.04 inclusive. Mm-hmm. 47.10 again. Let's see if they can resist there or not. Testing the 4707. That's the other point of reaction. Let's see if we can continue with that. Testing the 4707. $47.06. That's our last point. Well, our last point it's 47.03. But of course, I don't want to see the 03. Let's go back. Really aggressive candles. 100 candle again in 1 minute. So, well, 47.05 is our last opportunity to have something good. Looks really, really strong. Let's see what happened with the buyers there. Trying to continue near to 47.05. Losing the pressure. Remember 49, 46, 99. That 50 is the stop. So don't open positions. What means open positions? Don't open stop loss. Because the stop loss, if you're open on a stop loss, probably you will lose them. Just accept the result in 46.99.50. This moment, the price continue trying to go back. Stronger candles, but we need the next 7 candles continue in green. So, well, trying to come back to the 47.05. We need to stay there more than go back to the 47.10. 47.10, it's really important. Two candles in green, now one in red. Looks pretty difficult. Now we are in close. 47.03. No, it will touch the stop. 47.01. Just 20 pips. 25 pips more for touching the stop. Buyers trying, but that is enough. The pressure looks really strong for sellers. So remember, don't open stop loss. Stop loss is 46.99.50, no more than that. It's really pretty clear there. $47.03. This is the last 5 candles. Holding the same position, accepting the result. Just holding and let's see what happened. Trying to stay in there up to the 47.05. That's important for the buyers, but just is the next 4 minutes we stay there. That's it. Trying to going back to the 47.10. This is the last 2 minutes. Sellers are still there trying to push and continue lower than the 47.005. That's not good for our intentions, of course. One minute. Continue trying to break the 47.05. That's not good for the decision. Let's see. the next 15 minutes will be clarified. Or this candle, even this candle can go straight to the stop, like 46.99. So well, recovering the 47.07. But well, that is not enough. We need more, and this is nothing for celebrate. It's just giving information for the ones who still hold him. Okay, so now we have a candle with a good volume for sellers. That means we need to pass the 47.13 at least, and then the point of entry if we want to continue for the TPs. Looks pretty difficult with no too much chances. Well, in these candles, we will see the recover or the stop. It's pretty simple. Both results. Okay, trying to go there in 47.10. Losing the pressure. Mhm. 30 minutes more. And still it's on the same position. Even the ones who are going to open the trade there use the same stop loss, guys. Same stop loss is a must. Trying to continue with some volume. Not too much. Now it's quiet. Nor not seeing more candles for around 100 pips. Of course, I would love if we see a candle for green, yeah, for around 100 pips. But at this moment now, just staying quiet, and we need to break the 47.13, 47.15, and then 47.25 if we want to touch the targets. So the process is going to be long. We will suffer a little. So let's see. But again, the market conditions just like this. We can see a good results. We can see a really bad results. Every day, that's a possibility. And well, the reactions is like this. The reactions is like this. Not too much to do. The only options is respect the targets, respect the stop loss. I think it's pretty simple. Again, sellers giving a hard candle, massive candle. Why? Because it touched the 4712, so it's very close to the point of reactions for sellers. That's it. It's important too. The candle for 30 minutes ends near to the 4710. That is very important. So important 10 minutes. That's it. They're trying to pass the 4710, the buyers, but it's not easy to pass that point. So let's see. 8 minutes. 7 minutes. So I prefer the last five give us a good results than the first 10. So that depends for this pressure, but well, at this moment it's a little consolidation near to the 4705. And well, not too much to do. Of course, I don't want to see the 47. I don't want to see again the 4705. I just prefer to stay there and then give us a good reaction. Still there? Remember, I have two screens. One This one when I'm presenting the count and everything, and the other one I'm seeing the candles in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, in other time frames. Again, testing the 0.5. Unfortunately, this is the last 5 minutes, and they are losing the pressure. What we are seeing in the last 10. For that reason, I prefer just the last 5 minutes. Always give us a very good results. Now it's testing the 0.4. Probably will test lower 0.3. And if the candle ends lower than 47.05, it will be an impossible recover. Okay, 4 minutes. Trying to stay more than 47.05. Could be the last chance. Last 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. And the price continue there under the 47.05. That's the our last point of reaction. 47.05. I need it pass and continue like this. Probably highest point for highest possibilities to touch the stop loss. Even at this point, we can go in 1 minute directly to 46.99.50. Okay, recovering some prices. The 47.05. Sí, voy. Something what I'm missing is when I was trading alone, I just open the trade and go, go and doing other stuff, go and doing stay out of home in the garden with my dogs, with my family. I was just watching the TV. And then man set the alarms. That's all. If the alarm touch the stop loss, it will be just give me a message or touch the TPs and everything. Just come to the computer um, and see the information. But nowadays it's just me seeing the 1 minute the 1 minute chart. You know, um, this is something what I don't like. You know, it's a really bad um, costumbre. How can I say that in English? Habit. It's a really bad habit to just stay there focusing into the chart. But well, part of the job. Testing the 4702, another candle with not a good expectations. Probably we will hit the stop loss in the next 5 minutes or less. But well, seeing to the same point, not too much to do. Trying to going up. But with not too much efforts, you know, just staying there, little candles. Finally, a little candle in green. Okay, some pressure. Testing and recovering some prices. Finally, a good candle for in green. I would say around 4707. Mm, mm, mhm, mhm. 4710. And what happened here? We need to stay there. We need to stay there more for the next 10 minutes. It looks like a difficult, but well, at least some recover. That is some recover. Probably for some people, they get a better point. Um, they are seeing different numbers than the others. Going back to our point of entry, finally a little blue numbers there. But again, nothing to celebrate. We need to pass the 47, stay up to the 4713 at least. 13. So well, let's see what happened. Now it will is a must to pass the 47.20. Mhm. This is the last five. This is the last five candles. And it's pretty important to continue like this. Really, really important. So, well, going back to our point of entry, it's a good signal if we continue around more than 47.13. But it depends for the next 4 minutes. Last three candles. Losing the pressure. And again, we need to stay there near to the 47.13. Probably for some people, they just close the position. And well, this is part of the strategy. They get a better position 47.05, 47.02, something like this. It's okay and it's totally valid. You know, by my side, I just hold in the same position and let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. 3 minutes ago, the candle looks beautiful. Now we see what we have. The next 2 minutes, if we can end with two candles in green, that would be awesome. Mm-hmm. 47.12. This is the last candle. Well, stay there near to the 47.12. Not that bad. So stay in 47.12. I think I'm going to eat. I'm hungry. So well, going to eat and back. Okay, it's fast. 5 minutes or something like this. Less. So stay there, and I'll be back, holding the same position. Okay, I'll be back. So, well, guys, and the price still there. We need to break this. Again, we need to break the 47.25. Then to continue. At least we're recovering some levels, so it's not the best option. It's not the best trade. It's not the best reactions for sure. But well, at least we're seeing something good. So well, let's see. Still there. So I'm positive. Well, the first point is the 47.20, then 47.23, then TP1, then TP2, TP3 could be. Let's see if we can touch the 47.50. Well, I was eating my breakfast. Remember, guys, if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see a really good options, a really good discounts according to your necessities. There is a link into the chat, and the link is into the description. Use the link for obtain these promotions, and of course, seeing many different prop firm and the most trustable at listed there. Okay, so right now, still holding the same position. Let's see. Finally, some blue numbers. Mm-hmm. 47.18. Let's expect this candle continue like 2 minutes and the recover looks well. So well, good reaction. Let's roll to the TP1, but let's see. It depends for the next 50 minutes. We can call it the worst entry, guys. Benzi. Well, if you take, for example, a better position, if you open, for example, here, if you have the 47.15 and you have another position with the same lots in 47.8, that's your decision. I just my recommendation always is just wait the position to TP1, and that's all. But well, it depends. It's up to you guys. Absolute sniper stop loss. Very well, Lorito. Well, I've used the stop loss according to the volatility what we have. Well, of course, it's not the best entry, but probably many people here have the option to take a better position than me. What that means, probably some people take the 47.10, 47.08, 47.05. And well, that's that is the main road for the stop loss is there. So well, let's go to TP1. TP1 it's now, guys. So well, congratulations for the ones who take a better position than me. And congratulations for the ones who understand this trading. Um, we got these positions. Oh, partials on B, guys. Partials on B. We are in B. Take some partials, guys. Please. Take some partials. We're in B. So good, share your profits. Ese estuvo cerca, Andrea Balbuena, sí, pero no pasó. Así que parciales y break even. Partials and break even. Let's see if we can touch the TP2. Let's see. It depends for the next point. The next point is 47.30. So let's see what happened. $125. Thanks, boss. It's a pleasure, my friend. Your live trading time. It's a New York session. I always open the streaming in New York session. Die 47.05. Early 47.19. That's a great point, Papa Queen. You get a better point than me, so that's pretty important and that's pretty good. Congratulations. TP1 hit. Good. Brother, I passed my prop firm account. Now, thank you so much for you're the best. Pikachu Gaming finally passed the prop firm. It's a pleasure, my friend. Enjoy your prop firm, my friend. Save money and then open a real account, my friend. That's the plan. And that's good. That's good, Pika. Pikachu Gaming. Remember, if you want to be like me or Pikachu Gaming, to be a funded trader, just go there into the profitmatch.com. There you will see what is the best option, what is the best discount according your necessities for your money, for your knowledge, for sure, rules, etc. But the only thing what is pretty sure, all the accounts, all the companies listed into the profitmatch.com will pay you if you pass the challenge. Okay. Biomo, thanks. $202,000 profit. Perfect, my friend. Basil, you're amazing, buddy. Not the best point of entry. Probably the best point of entry was around 47.10, 47.08. But well, this is the reality. We survived, and we survived for the one more than 100 pips. So that's great, guys. $100. Thank you. Thanks for the ones who understand. We can win or we can lose the position just using the correct lot size for your account. Learning every day, risk management is the way. Well, congratulations for the ones who win money. I'm sorry for the ones who close the position early. And sorry for the ones who take a sell position. So, so well, that's that's the reality. Le Emmanuel Conde, damn, my broker hit his stop loss that week. I see markets. By the way, thanks, man. Emmanuel, my friend, I'm seeing Oanda, I'm seeing FXCM. Um, no one, no of those trader or brokers touched the 47, 46.99. I'm using Cellium. Even in Cellium, we didn't touch the 46.99, that 50. So my recommendation for you, change the broker, my friend. Thanks. change the broker. There is a link for open a selling account. The promotion is going to be there. If you want to apply for the Telegram for free, that is the only option, my friend. So, Emmanuel, I invite you. Just go open and change your broker. Should I close my trade or wait? Hold your position in break even, my friend. I got the notification about my win trade. Thanks, mate. 129 profit. Darda. Perfect, my friend. Good job. TP2, please. Let's see. Let's keep together. Holding this position. Boss, should I close my trade away? Hold him. Lewis, good job. Perfect, my friend. Thanks to you. Selling is my next whenever I pay out. Perfect, my friend. Again, always payouts, save money, and then real broker. USDT, and that's all. If you want to work with XELLION, there is a link for use XELLION, guys. XELLION is this broker. Just remember XELLION, for most of the country, the payment is by USDT. It's not like going to add the money by cards or wire transfers, banks accounts. I work with the broker. What I feel it works for me by USDT, so that's great. I prefer to do it like this. Okay. So well, this is the link. You can use it with no problems. Thank you, Larito. You get 24 USD for live trading with you. That's the idea, my friend. That's the idea. For the others, remember the because I'm it's always it's the same way. When I win some money, most of the people ask for the access to the Telegram and Discord. But remember, this is not the this access is not for free. It's a one payment for $192. An unique payment, that means you pay one time and the rest I'm not going to ask you again for more money or something like this. It's just a unique payment for $192, and that's all, guys. But the access is not for free. If you want to receive the support, if you want to receive the signals, extra signals, the information on time, the TPs, the stop loss, and everything, just go into uh, the link, into the WhatsApp. There is the link. Okay, guys, TP2. TP2 is now. TP2 it's now, guys. Partials, please. Some B. TP2, guys. Who is still holding? Who is still seeing more money for this trade? lot of haters here staying bullshit for you, but I can say thank you. You are helping me a lot. Diga Justin, yes, my friend. Many people, it's crazy, but I'm the guy here in front of you with $12,000 in the account. Um, that haters, trust me, they don't have even $1, $2, real money there. So for that reason, I'm here. For that reason, I'm the only guy who, if it lost, I'm going to come back. If I win, I'm going to stay here and come back. So, so well, sorry for the ones who trust in the people into the chat, because I know many people read the comments, close the position, continue like this. But well, so well, yes, that's the only truth. And well, but thanks to you for your support, your patience, for sure. That's great, my friend. 300 for those catch the bottom, exactly. Thanks, bro. It's a pleasure for parts. Alpha facts, yes, it's a fact. It's a fact, totally fact. After that trade, you will entry another entry. No, thank you, Larita, for helping us all the time. Got really meet with your needs. Don't be no that much. Okay, guys, just be clear for the TP3. It's coming. TP3, it's coming. Only one, but many as well. Please never stop. I love you. Perfect, my friend. Nelly Wangeri. It's a pleasure, dear. Thanks to you for your support, so good comments. Guys, again, if you trust in the people into the chat, probably you will lose the position. You will feel awful than just follow me. So focus always on me. Focus in the information what I provide. For that reason, I always during the stop loss and saying like, okay, we need to recover the 4710. If we recover the 4710, probably we will recover the point of entry. If we recover the point of entry, probably we will recover the TP1 and touch the TP2. I always explain the pressure, but if you focus into the people negative into the chat, just saying pure, really different things. Sometimes I'm going to lose, sometimes I'm going to win, but if I open a position, it's for one reason. Of course, this is not the best trade what I provide, but well, we survive. The people who understand and respect the stop loss, it's in positive. The people who set another stop loss, probably they're in negative for sure. Um, the other people, if you don't like it, just stay there. Okay. I'm going to change this to at least 50. Let's see, 20, 47, 20. Okay. We are very chill, bro. Yes, that's the idea. That's the idea. The people here, some of us who understand it's pretty difficult what we are doing. And well, this is the This is the type of trades what we're going to have. And well, nothing happens. Try will talk some presume. Okay. Well, let's see if we can touch TP3 first. I always understand you, the way you trade. Amazing. Thanks, my friend Pikachu. For that reason, you are funded now. You're a funded trader, so that's beautiful. Ignore negative people. Yes, because negative people always is a new people. Some people create another accounts and everything. But what clear example following the plan? I didn't see it happening, but your commitment to the plan yield is perfect, my friend. Marcos, grande Laurito, espero que igual tuviera esté holdeando, esté viendo pues, bastante dinero ahí. Igual para los que hablan español, disculpen ahí si están solo hablando inglés, pero bueno, pregunten y yo les hablo en español también sin problema. Well done, Laurito. Thanks, my friend. Pullback is approaching. Yes. Now, I'm now on fighters. Step 2, 3. Perfect, my friend. Thanks to your tips. It's a pleasure, my friend. Thanks to you for follow instruction. That's pretty important. Pretty important. TP3 it's now, guys. TP3 it's now. TP3 it's now. TP3 it's now, guys. TP3 it's now, guys. 215 pips. Congratulations for the ones who are holding the position. We'll stay with the same trade, guys. Thank you so much for today. The trade helped me get out of my losses zone today. Perfect. Lofia, that's the idea. Help everyone here and to get a really good profits. And remember, if you want to be part of the community, just contact back. Um, just contact back with the WhatsApp, and I will provide you the information there about the Telegram signals and the Discord support, guys. But always remember the price is $192, guys. $192, and it's one payment. Of course, this point is going to be difficult to pass 47.40. For that reason, my stop loss is in 47.25. Okay, here is my B, 47.25. That's all. Increíble, Laurito. Nos vemos mañana. Qué bonito, mi amigo. Esa es la idea. Un placer, mi amigo. Tenga buen día. Seguimos holdeando. I wish I stayed with the trade. Again, I told the people hold the positions in B. Hold the positions in B, and that's all. Probably we will hit the full full position, guys. Me sacó ya 50 TP, perfecto. Sacó el 50% del TP, excelente. En TP3, frecuencia oculta, muy bien. Well done, mate. It's a pleasure, my friend. Good. Good. And remember, if you want to use a beautiful broker, just go with XELLION. Here, you can use this platform pretty close to TradingView. Pretty friendly to use, really really easy to understand, easy to use. And well, just as you can see, the take the partial is pretty easy. Take the information, it's pretty easy to sell on a beautiful platform to clarify the information, guys. So the link is in the chat. The link is into the description. So, well, who is still holding? Who is still holding? Frecuencia oculta, sí, standard account o raw spread. Yo estoy usando el raw spread. La zero spread es muy buena. No tiene spread básicamente, pero raw spread o standard account va a funcionar bastante bien. Será viendo el gap, ya está cubierto. ¿Qué dices? Sí, puede que ya siga subiendo. For the ones who are asking how the Telegram looks like, the Discord looks like this. It's a chat, the same, focusing. But the thing is, the people here, it's focus than the others. People share the profits without too much problems. And well, that's great. That's very good. And of course, you have the psychology channel with Brandon talking about tips for many how you can deal with the trades and everything. And I think it was a full TP, guys. Full TP, it's now. Full take profit, guys. Full take profit. Full TP, guys. Full take profit. Full take profit. Full take profit. 307 pips. Full take profit, guys. Full take profit. The trade is done. So, well, who did the full take profit? I'm going to read you guys into the chat. Full TP. Full TP, guys. Ok, sí, me lo compras, de ahí ya subió un poquito más. Perfect, Tom. Beautiful, nice to see you here. I've closed. Okay, good. A book hold. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits at this point. Yashir, Rito, how do you generally determine your entry on a pullback? Do you get the last lower height? Yes, for example, here we got this confirmation that was the pin bar reaction here. I'm trying to use that resistance as reference, but as you can see, then we got a lower retracement. But again, pretty easy. We recovered that price with pure patience, and that's all. But yes, I always wait the retracement. Of course, the point of entry for today is not the best, but the thousands of people who see the streaming today have the opportunity to take this trade for better positions. We stay in better positions for around 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour. We stay into the stop loss for take a better position, 47.10, 47.08, for 10 minutes. Sorry, for 1 hour, guys. For 1 hours. TP close. All thanks, bro. Perfect. Asombroso, Laurito. Excelente trade. Gracias, mi amigo. $168 booked. Perfect. $200 per day now. Thanks, bro. Thanks. God bless you. Perfect, my friend. Just following your channel. Very chill guy. Thanks for sharing your tips with us. Cabri, it's a pleasure. So a beautiful trade for today. Almost $900, guys. Beautiful. That's great. That's pretty good. So can you guys sell plan? No, bro. Can we sell now? No, my friend. So beautiful guys. Almost $900 today, recovering the withdrawal for the last Friday. So that was good. That was pretty good. Pretty nice. Pretty good. So remember, if you want to be part of the community, it's not for free. It's a lifetime subscription for $192. The access is not for free, guys. Is not for free. The Telegram, 2 4 entries per day. Um, the Telegram, it's 2 4 entries per day. Discord, it's for learn, understand how the strategy works. For example, today I share the sons. Every day I share the sons, guys, talking about what we need. You know, here, for example, the sons for today. There is the son there for 4708. Then we need to wait the confirmation around the sun, and then we will open it. Okay. So this is part of the trades. This is everything. Lewis looks like Jesus Christ, just by me. Beautiful. This is the another profit here for Victor, $1,000. $1,500. So that's great. This is another student, but it's pretty important. You know, it's pretty important. We got the funded channel, the different markets here. The learning forex for sure. Many videos about how to learn forex. Um, of course, the pre-recorded videos. If you want to be part of that community, just go into the WhatsApp, but the prices is not for free, guys. Goes all the trades. CP1, always good job. Perfect, my friend. Good. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trades. I'm happy many people here can take the position. I'm opening a long position and take the profit with no problems, guys. That's make me happy. This is the last reminder. If you want to be part of the community, it's $192. It's just one payment. It's a unique payment for 192 dollars, guys. And of course, if you want to use the platform by XELLION, just contact me by WhatsApp or use the link with XELLION, guys. There is the link. Okay. So see you soon. Thanks for the support. Thanks for everything. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. And always remember, focus on me. I know many people, and today I saw again many people close the position because they read many many people just saying things against me and everything, and that's okay. That's okay by my side. It's okay. I don't care about the people who is talking and everything, but I know that you guys you understand and feel the pressure and feel the fear. If you want to feel whatever, just focus on me, guys. Just focus on me. That's my recommendation. You know, focus on me. Whatever it happens, it's my responsibility. Always set your stop loss. Always set your break even. Following instructions. That's the most important thing in this channel: the patient and following instructions, but not the random people into the chat, guys. Okay. No one the random people into the chat, just my instructions. So focus on that. I'll be back for the people into the Telegram and Discord in Tokyo session. I'm back here tomorrow for for the next session to New York. It's tomorrow. So well, you are the best. Thanks, Sunrise. I appreciate that. No one, no care them who say that. Okay, perfect. It's was very closer, but we are come exactly. Quick curious. Thanks. So well, guys, it's a pleasure. Thanks for your support. Thanks for everything. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your support. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the dislikes. Thanks for always come and say hello and read your comments. For sure, it's if you want to be part of the community, there is the link into the WhatsApp, guys. So see you soon. Thanks for the support. Thanks for everything, and goodbye.